All right, folks, here it is. Radar Anthony's forecast for the day. Well, for this time of the day, anyway. Look at my dog out there. That's why I call her a Jade the Psycho dog. Nothing bothers her. She just wants freedom. Well, she just didn't get that where she was at, or what the hell, but she's out of her mind anyway. Anyway, y'all check this out. There's that butterfly again, man. That thing is always around. Yeah, nice out here, man. That's just beautiful weather. It's about probably 25 degrees too cold, but you know, that's the way it is. Another day off tomorrow because I just can't. I can't test the tracks out in this. This is not gonna happen. Ah, boy. Man, I didn't want to take PTOs. It looks like I might be taking PTOs all week. Tuesday and Friday too. I'm sorry, Tuesday and Friday, my dumbass. Tuesday and Wednesday. Hope I'll get to show up Thursday. But anyway, y'all have a good day. And I will see you guys when I see you guys next time. This afternoon I will do another video just for everybody watching. There's that butterfly again.